Oil markets jolted today after US President Donald Trump announced that Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi had committed to halting India's purchases of Russian oil, a pivotal shift in a relationship long anchored by energy needs. Brent crude futures jumped by about 0.9%, trading near $62.48 per barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate rose similarly to $58.81. The market's reaction reflects the weight India carries as one of the largest importers of Russian oil, accounting for roughly one-third of its supply. This development comes amid intensifying pressure from Washington to choke off Moscow's energy revenues as part of broader efforts to compel a resolution to the war in Ukraine. Trump went on to warn that China, another major buyer of Russian crude, would be next to face US diplomatic and economic pressure. For India, the announcement poses a serious dilemma. On one hand, the nation's energy security strategy has long relied on access to cost-effective Russian supplies. On the other, Modi's alleged commitment signals a geopolitical pivot, or at least a willingness to realign under external pressure. Analysts caution that even if the transition away from Russian oil is gradual, it could disrupt global supply chains and ripple into broader commodity markets. In the short term, smaller players and nations with delicate fiscal balances may feel the pinch the most. In turn, this may accelerate energy diversification, hasten investment in green alternatives, and reinforce the global energy security debate. The bold move places India in a more complex diplomatic equation, balancing ties with Russia and its energy pragmatism while undergoing US and Western scrutiny. The next weeks will be critical to see how New Delhi responds, through diplomatic assurances, phased transitions, or possible pushback against external pressures.